homework is to finish the slide, and the last two, these are slide 3, slide 4, slide 5. We finished slide 6. Some of my class finish, but some don't. So let's do this one here. Counting by twos up for the total charges. Next one is 6. So I'm not going to type in 6. Leave a spot. That's 8. There. Next is 10. I'm leaving a spot for 10. Do 12. 14 is next. Leaving a spot for 14, but typing in 16. Okay, leaving a spot for 18, but typing in 20. Leaving a spot for 18, typing in 20. Leaving a spot for 22, but type in 24. Leaving a spot for 26, but typing in 28. And the last number is our magical number 30, because we need to go up to $30 is the largest charge. Then what I like to do is I like to take the pencil. I should have, okay, move this in. I'm taking the pencil right there, and I'm going to change that pencil to a blue, and I'm going to graph all these in blue right here, so that you see, I'll make it smaller. 5 and 12, 5 is right here between 4 and this is 6 right there. Go up to 12, which is right there. And then the other one is 14 pounds, which is right here, going up to $15 and 20 cents, which is about right there. And the last one is 30 pounds, going up to $22, going up, my cursor's right here. That's 24 too far right there, 22 right there. Take it, and I like to keep it all in the same color. Oh, that's a little bit big. Let's make that smaller and just connect the dots right there. And this is for great freight, so type in great. Okay, that's for great freight. My next one, I'm going to change that to blue, keep it all blue. Next one, we're going to keep it red. So even here, we're going to do red. Type 5, find 5 and 10. 5 is right there, go up to 10, which is right there. 14 is right there, go up to $17.20. That's 16, that's 18, so 17 is right there. The last one is 30, 30, go up to 30 there, take the line, and then connect. I'm going to make it red, because I'm leaving it all red there, and that is called grand. The solution, notice, is at 10:14, so this is called grand. And the other one is great. Okay? All right, that's how you graph that. Next one, who drove the fastest based on the graph and table below? Oh, I typed it twice. Great. Is it Timir or Hector? We need to find the rate of change. Rate, same thing as slope, so we're finding slope here equals to y minus y over x minus x. I'm going to keep that equation up here because we're going to use that for both. So I'm going to keep that equation up there and over x minus x. Okay, for a graph, you need to, and it's y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. For a graph, you need to pick 2 points, so I'm going to pick 1 and, I think this is 50, so 1 and 50. So this is 1 hour, 50 miles. So hour is 1 and 50 miles. Okay, and then the other number would be 2 and 100. So 2 hours, he's gone 100 miles. So hours is 2 and 100 miles. So to find slope for this one, I'm going to take them and do y minus y. My y's are right here, my miles. Notice the y are the miles. So I take 100 minus 50 miles, so I get 50 miles. ML, right? We'll just do M, 50 miles. We'll just type it out, 50 miles. And this is, we're finding slope or rate of change, the rate or speed, okay, equal to this. And then over the x's, the x are the hours, so over 2 minus 1 hours. You'll get the answer. So 2 minus 1, you'll get over 1 mile. 1 hour. Those are hours. So over 1 hour. So Timir is driving 50 miles an hour. Timar. Let's see how fast Hector is driving. I'm going to use this number. I don't want decimals. So I got the option. So I'm going to use 2 as my x1, y1. And this one is my x2, y2. Those 2 ones without decimals. I'm not using the decimal one. So my y's. This is my y's. This distance in miles. These are my y's right here. This is 96 mile, and this is 240 miles. So I'm going to subtract 40 minus 96. Those are my miles. I'm trying to find my rate of change or slope. Equals to 240 minus 96 miles, and we get over, this is miles, okay, over, let's see, calculator, pop first thing, it's 240 minus 96, 144. That is equal to 144 miles over on the bottom, where time in hours, this is your x right here. I went up this way, so I need to go up this way also. 5 minus 2. Okay, 5 minus 2, and they're hours, time in hours. So my answer would be 3 hours right here. And then I divide that, 144 divided by 3, I get 48 hours, 48 miles. So my slope is 48 miles for every hour. If there's no denominator, the denominator is 1 hour. Okay, so who drove the fastest? Hector's driving 48 miles an hour. Timir is driving 50. So Timir is driving faster. Timar is driving, I'm going to put it in black here because everything else is in red, drove the fastest at 50 miles per hour versus while Hector drove 48 miles per hour for each hour, for 1 hour. Same thing, okay? That's it. That's your homework because that's what it says here. Homework finished. All right.